It's been a while since I've done any farming videos. Hope you like this. Please like and subscribe if you do. Thank you.
We got Willie and Gabby's 1660 back rolling again today. Had the the elevator jack shaft slip clutch was bad. We replaced the hub and jaws and the slip clutch. And we're back rolling again now. It's a later model 1660 with the 8.3 turbo non-intercooled Cummins engine in it. It's in pretty good shape for this old machine. We rebuilt the ladder and did a bunch of work on the concave brakes in this machine this summer, so we got her in pretty good shape. Like the corn's yielding pretty darn good this year. He's only being able to make a round before he has to dump. The bin's not completely full on the combine, but other than that, it's doing pretty darn good. Couple little hiccups with the, like I said, the elevator jack shaft slip clutch went out. We were able to get that fixed up, so should be able to finish up this 15-16 acres of corn and be done for the season. Neighbor with some corn too. Gabby and William already took the first load in.
As I mentioned earlier, we welded up the concaves and replaced the missing key stock on the grates. We also replaced some vanes in the transition cone and replaced the hydro input shaft and drive hub. We flipped over the straight bars on the rotor separator bars, and so we got the machine in pretty good shape now. In this clip here, William, my son, is riding along with Willie, my son-in-law, in the combine. In the background you can see the center pivot irrigator. That's an omen of some bad things to come. Here, William and I just gotten back from the elevator, and we'd stopped at the local Casey's to pick up a piece of pizza for Willie so he could have something to eat for lunch. And William thought I was trying to shoo him out of the way for the video, but I was actually trying to tell him to go on up and give him his lunch. Here in this clip, William's driving the truck and grain wagon out of the field. There's a lot of chucking going on because the spring in the DMI hitch on the wagon is in bad shape, so I didn't take a very long video of this. Here we are heading by Willie and Gabby's place on the left, and we're meeting Gabby on her way back from the elevator with the other truck and wagon. Here's some pictures of the carnage I alluded to earlier when Willie dropped the wheel of the combine in a rut at the center pivot on the irrigation system, and a couple of pictures of the snout after we got done repairing it later that night. It turned out pretty darn good considering how badly it was mangled.